What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Kev, poppin' Chuck on Lion Shark in the building today. And today I'm gonna teach you something. Nope, real shit. I'm gonna teach you something right now. Yeah, watch me. Watch and learn. Let's go. Today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to make something that I'm wearing right now. A bleached tie-dye shirt. Yes, a bleached tie-dye shirt. These go hard. Yo, I'm telling you. Get any black shirt that you don't wear no more. Black socks, hoodie, anything you want. As long as it's made with like some type of 100% like cotton, it should be perfect to go. Alright? It shit goes hard. Use it for the gym. Use it to go to sleep. Use it when you go out. It works. It just fashion, baby. Let's go. Do anything you want. This is what it be looking like. Alright, so we got this is the style that came out. This go hard. This one go hard. I like this one. This one go hard. This one go hard. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like, yeah. You know what I'm saying? That shit go hard too. And then got this one. This one came out different because it was a different type of cotton. But look how hard that looks. It looks, yo. That's insane. That's insane. You know what I mean? Crazy, right? Yeah, and mine's too. Whoa, bro, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you how to get this bopping. So let's go. Get this bopping? Did I say bopping? Okay, so first things first, you're gonna want some gloves. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on. Ha! Alright, next we got our bleach. We got a container to like get it in with and rubbing alcohol. We're not gonna be using this alcohol, but I am going to be using the lid. Something that I kind of found out about these cool little things right here. If I take this off, all right, put that there. Open this up, put some of this in here. Let me just. I don't really need it to the top. And with this hand sanitizer thing, it actually fits perfect. All right, and if I open it up, I got a little squirter, I got a, you know what I mean. Okay, great. Now that that's done, we're gonna go grab our shirts now. Let's go. I have the shirts that you want to tie dye. I got me just an old True Religion shirt that I don't really wear no more, and then I got me a nightclub shirt right here, or a tank top. So once you get that, you're gonna want to get it wet. Just soak it up in water. Just like that, get it all wet. All of it. Got them both soaked. You wanna like drench all the water out of it. So it's not like super drippy, but it's still wet. Okay, so once you squeezed all the water out these shirts, you wanna go somewhere flat and lay it flat. Somewhere like this, kind of just like that. Maybe like this. Like that. Now, once it looks like that, start messing with it. Start like. So I'll twist it there. Maybe I want one right here. Then I'm just gonna do that, man. Same thing here. Once you're ready, you're gonna want to start wrapping it up. Obviously, we're using plastic bags. I think it's gonna work fine. Nothing's gonna happen to it. Same thing. I'm outside my little balcony, and now we go. Got my little squirter. Now we squirt wherever you wanna make things happen at. So I'm gonna go in right here. Just really quick. You see the changes really fast. I'm gonna turn it over. Just because I feel like that's gonna look cool when it's all good to go. It's already changing colors so quickly because that stuff is strong, yo. All right, we're just gonna let it sit there for a couple of hours, few hours, and we'll come right back. Okay, so it's currently washing right now. Here, I'm opening it up for you. It's sitting there. You can't see it, but it's sitting there. We're gonna let that do its thing real quick and be right back. Woo, yo! Oh, look at this shirt. Yo, hold up. Look at the spin on that, yo. Like. Look at the details on it. Look at the back. So this always had like a cool logo thing. Yo! That's crazy, man. This will throw people off in the streets, man. They'll be like, where'd you get that? Low key, you'll be like, es que mira que yo te cajamos un plug, you know what I'm saying? Like, hey, all right, let's try on the next shirt. Let's go. Oh, yo, this is the other one. All right, you could barely see, but right there has a name of a club that's out here in Vegas. But dude, look at that. That's what looking like. Look at our little eye right there. Yo, that shit is nice. Let's see what the back looks like. Yo, oh my god. Oh my god, super cool, man. It's kind of bright so you guys can't see, but definitely something y'all need to do. Summertime trends, summertime vibes. I know we're in lockdown, but fuck it. Rock some fashion inside your apartment, in your crib. It doesn't matter. This is a cool thing to do. If you have anything that's black that you don't really wear no more, or that you're trying to add some sauce to it, do this. Follow what I just did. Alright, you guys, if you guys loved what you saw today, please give me a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button because your boy is dropping at the drops, okay? Thank you so much. It's your boy, Papi Check on Line Shark, Kev East in the building. I'm out. Thank you guys. I appreciate the love.